Hi everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to make Tajik PAMIR Tandoori bread in Tajikistan PAMIR. And the ingredients are warm water, sourdough, and salt. So this building, it's actually very historical. It's called the Khalai Vamar, which translates to the Fortress of Vamar. And it's very historical. It was made in the 1800s, in the early 1800s, it was like the military base. And because of the fortress, there's a lot of tourists that come to visit Vamar just to see the Khala and its historical landmark. So because the lifestyle in PAMIR Badakhshan is very natural, there's also a lot of animals that usually walk around streets, and it's very normal. It's not like anything you'd see in a city or a town, but it's very rural, so everyone in PAMIR, most of the people, they own at least cows, ducks, sheep, or chickens. Those are the main four that people own. So when you get to the tandoor, you're gonna have to make a really intense blaze to get rid of the blackness and debris from the tandoor. And as you can see, the darkness is going away, the blackness, and it's because we put a lot of intense flame and heat to the tandoor, which made the color fade away. And you're gonna keep on doing it until it's fully gray, and then there's going to be a special broom which is going to help you get rid of the extra debris and extra blackness, and it's just going to make it more clean to prepare. And now that the tandoor is very clean after brooming it, you are ready to stick the bread onto the tandoor by stretching it out on a mat and then sticking it to the tandoor. And you're gonna wait until it's red and crispy, and then you can take it off. Okay, so once the tandoori bread is done, it should look like this, and we usually spray water on it to make it look more shiny and delicious, and it should look red and crispy once it's done. And normally, after the tandoori bread is done, people always crave for traditional milk tea called shir choy, and it goes really good with the freshly made bread. Now everyone is going to enjoy the freshly made bread and the tea.